Hi, so I'm Nicholas, and I'm sat in the pub in Northampton, and I'm sat with... Okay, and, well, can you tell me what we're looking at here?
Right, well, we decided to have a look at a hardware project we could do with FluidDB, and so what we've got here is the popular Arduino board with an Ethernet shield on top of it. The Arduino is a simple microprocessor that allows you to do programming without any extra hardware. It's not particularly special. You can do this with any microcontroller, but we wanted to come up with a demonstration that people could repeat and improve upon without needing loads of extra equipment.
Cool.
What we're going to do here is show how a micro can update an object in FluidDB based on some real-world readings.
Okay, so how are we doing the real-world readings? I'm going to follow this green wire, and we're going to get to, I'll hold it up properly, a pen lid with some wires glued to it.
Yeah, we've got a pen lid there with two wires on the side.
Yeah.
And the object of this is to take a real-world reading and put it into FluidDB.
Okay, and what exactly are we reading?
Our reading here is we're going to repeat the wonderful world of the plant moisture sensor detector, which tweeted its output, and we're going to go one better and tag it in an open source database.
Fantastic. Okay, so the probe is attached to the Arduino, which is the thing at the bottom, I believe, and on top is...
on the top is the Ethernet shield, which is performing a full TCP/IP stack and just presenting it to the Arduino as a couple of serial strings, essentially. Okay, so shall we see it work then? Go on then. There we go.
So we're booting up.
We're booting up. And what we've got now is pretty much what you're going to get. The Arduino's reading its analog inputs, it's scaling it to a useful value. In this particular case, we've got 12% coming in. It then connects to the FluidDB server and looks for an object that's I've tagged with a particular tag and ID. So in this particular case, I've got the username widget on FluidDB, and we've created a fluid monitor namespace and a tag within that of device ID. And handily, there's an object to represent this plant over here in FluidDB, which has a device ID of 42. And currently that's being set to have a value back of 12.
Okay, so if I dip the probe into the water, there we go, the probe is in the water, and it updates every 10 seconds. So well, this is where we go. Okay, here we go. Stuff's happening. So as you can see, we've read an ADC value of 708. We've converted it to a percentage of 89%. So if we pull the information back from FluidDB, the reading is now 89. Fantastic. Now, the source code and description and documentation, what little there is on GitHub.
It is on GitHub, yes.
Okay, and what I'll do is I'll add the URL for that at the end of this video.